Hi, I'm Dr. Peter Martin. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the first semester Engineering Maths module. I'm leading this and I'm presenting it in collaboration with my colleague Dr. Abdul Al-Fultimi. Dr. Al-Fultimi is going to teach the first half of the module and I'm going to teach the second half. He does calculus and I do probability and statistics. You will have already met Dr. Colin Steele, and last week you did the mathematics diagnostic exercise to give you a baseline idea of where you are with your maths and areas that you could work on. This week Dr. Steele has another presentation on Thursday and he'll explain the follow-up work to that exercise. The teaching for the maths starts next week. Each week there will be a series of mini lectures on the Blackboard space along with quizzes and problem tutorials. On a Tuesday at 2 o'clock there will be a Zoom session which will give you an overview of where we're up to. There will be problems worked through and into groups to talk with demonstrators and help you work through problems and get feedback and questions answered. That pattern will continue each week with new mini lectures, new problems to look at. The first face-to-face session will be on Monday the 2nd of November and will be in the Reynolds building where we can work through problems and you'll have a chance to talk to ourselves and also the demonstrators in person to air your questions. So in week 6, that's Monday the 9th of November, we'll start the second half of the module. I'll be taking over the teaching and talking about probability and statistics. Again, this will be based around Zoom meetings on a Tuesday afternoon at 2 o'clock and mini lectures and so on each week on Blackboard. The assessment will also start around this time. There are 3 parts to the assessment for the module and 2 of them happen during the semester. The first one will be a deadline on Tuesday the 24th of November, and that's a continuous assessment where you'll have a week or 2 to complete some exercises in Excel. You'll then upload your work onto Blackboard and that will get marked and you'll get feedback on that. The week after that we've got the second of the face-to-face sessions, so we'll get to talk about some probability material in that session. And then the week after that, on the 9th of December, we're going to have an online test. This will be a multiple choice test. This one's worth 20% of the module and this will be timed to test you on the work that we've done over the semester. Okay, to summarise the assessment, we've got 2 pieces of assessment during the module. The first one is a continuous assessment worth 30% of the module, and the second one is an online test, multiple choice, worth 20% of the module. At the end of the semester we've got a revision week, and then when you come back after the Christmas break there will be an online exam. The exam is worth 50% of the module. It will be downloadable from Blackboard, a PDF. It's an open book. Normally it takes 60 minutes to complete 2 questions, but you'll have a bit more time than that, so you have time to download it and get sorted out and then upload your answers back to Blackboard. Thanks very much. We'll see you next week on Tuesday and go through more of the course then. Thank you.